Fine then, let us start. I hope we are in NLP, right, sir? Oh, sorry. Online team, hold on. Let me prepare running notes actually. Yeah, so let us start. I just need a help from you guys. Use case, are we done? Unstarted, we done this one, I guess, right? And the next one is NLP bag of words. And once we done this one, there is a Twitter sentiment analysis NLP model. We can create a text model actually. We'll work on that one. And next one is a spatial library. We'll see. One by one, we will see. Now, so I'm repeating one more time. So the purpose of NLP will be process the text data. Process what exactly? And at the same time, let me tell you. So assuming that I'm just trying to sending a mail to Nirikshan and hello. So hi. Yeah. Did you notice? Can somebody talk with me? Hi. HO I typed actually, but automatically what exactly happened in the backend it is done the prediction for the next word. It is done prediction for what exactly? Backend it will be done by using NLP technique. What technique? The NLP is mostly for this one only. NLP is mostly for what exactly? Indirectly, it is helping to the user to do the task very easy actually. Did you understand, sir? Good. Now, whenever you are assuming that, let me tell you what is a today topic. The topic will be bag of the words, also called as a TF and IDF actually. One more time, bag of the words. Next one is what exactly? TF and IDF. We'll see. First, one by one, we'll see. When I say chart GPT, backend it is using the transformers. Backend it is using what exactly? Transformers. Bag of the words is one of the topic in a chart GPT. One of this topic. There are many topics actually, but this is the one of the topic. What exactly happened, sir, backend? Whenever you are saying hi, how are you? Hi, what exactly? How are you? Backend it will create a numeric values. Backend it will create what exactly? Numeric values. Numeric values for every word actually. For what exactly? Every word. I mean to say that please understand this one. How it is creating, we'll see step by step. Let's move to the discussion. Now, NLP components. So it is a method of, look at my screen. It is a just method of extracting essential features from the raw text. Essential features from what exactly? Even whenever you are taking the text data, what you need to understand is there are useful words, so assuming that there are on an average 10 words would you have. How many words, sir? 10 words would you have? I would like to say on an average, some 6 are very good words actually, kind of some features, but 4 words are not useful. 4 words are what exactly? Not useful, kind of some not features actually. But what we can do? By using this technique, what technique actually? Bag of words, we can extract the essential features from what exactly? Raw text. Second one, so that we can use it for machine learning model. Why we are extracting feature? Simple, to create a model, definitely features is required. What is required? Same thing like ML terminology. Same thing like what exactly? ML terminology. But here the text related words. A bag of words model converts the raw text into what exactly? Words. And then it also counts the frequency of the words in the text actually. It will count the frequency of the word. That word is very, very important. If anyone is saying something about, if your word is keep on repeated, actually, I used to tell practice, right? Yeah, that word count is very, very important actually. Till now, I spell out many number of times. We'll see step by step actually. Is it shaking? It is okay. If you're fine, that is okay actually. Good. Come on, sir. Look at my screen. The first one is what exactly? Raw text. Second one is a clean the data. Third one is tokenization. Next one, build vocabulary. Build what exactly? Vocabulary. Kind of some which word is important. Next one is a generate vector. Next one is what exactly? In ChatGPT, this is the one of the important topic. Whenever you are giving a kind of some text data, backend it will create a vector. Backend it will create what exactly? That too, there the terminology is different. There we can call as a embedding actually. What is that one? Embedding. But here we can say generate the vector. Generate what exactly? Sir, it is a very close relationship. Generative AI and NLP techniques actually. You have to please understand these are all. Okay. It is a very close relationship. Repeating one more time, whenever you are giving the text data, from the text data, the clean text actually. Next one is a tokenize. Next one is a build vocabulary. Next one is a generate vector. These are all things. Let's continue. Next one is a raw text. This is the original text on which we wanted to perform analysis. What do you mean by raw data? Best example, the direct input from the client. What is the raw data? The direct input from what exactly? Client actually. Since our raw text contains some unnecessary data, something like a punctuation marks and stop words, so we need to clean up our text actually. Sir, we already know. Best example, whenever you are getting the input as a text means, in for that text actually there is some unnecessary data. There is some what exactly? Unnecessary data. When I say unnecessary data, kind of some special symbol, stop words actually. These are all things required to delete. Next one is tokenization. Next one is what exactly? Tokenization. Yeah. Tokenization represents sentence as a group of tokens or words actually. Important, sir. Tokenization is a very, very important. You have to please focus. It contains the total words used in the text after removing what exactly? Unnecessary data. Building the vocabulary means which word is on high priority. For every word, there is a, I would like to say the number. Back end, it will as a number. How much priority? 80%, 90%, something like that. It contains the word along with their frequency in the sentence actually. Practical, I will show you, don't worry. Practical, I will show you. Good. Let us just try to take a small use case. I will not take much time actually. Let us take a few sentences. There is a Jim and Pam travel by bus. There are two-person travel by what exactly? Bus. Sentence number one. Sentence number two. The train was late. Sentence number three. The flight was full. The traveling by flight is what exactly? Sir, here, please observe here. Train repeated only one time. Bus repeated only one time. And here flight how many times? Two times. We have to understand. We have to understand actually. The flight was full. The traveling by flight is what exactly? Expense. There are few members. They will do some what I mean, yesterday I came by flight. Flight cost will be some means their their motto will be we have to hear that flight word actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Yeah. Now please understand this one. From sentence number one, I'm sorry for getting. These are all words. Jim and Pom traveled by bus. Next one is that the train was late. The flight was full. Traveling by flight. It is what exactly? Yeah, expensive. Good. Now move on to the next one. What exactly happened, sir? Immediately, automatically, backend there is one function. If you call that function, each and every word, how many times occurrence? I mean to say that first one, Jim, one time. These are all one time actually. These are all what exactly? One time. These are also one time. Why here is the two? Yeah, good. I hope you already know. The flight is a word, repeated it two times actually. Good. Let's move on. Now the next one. What is the next one? Combining all the words. Combining what exactly? All the words. Let us just try to combine all sentences and all words actually. Kindly please observe here. Sir, by also repeated two times, sir. By also repeated two times. If you want, you can cross verify. Yeah, here and here actually. Am I right? Come on, talk with me. Look at my screen. And bus one by two expensive one flight two times actually. THE how many times? Three times. What exactly happened? Talk with me. You are giving English words, but backend it is creating what exactly? Numerical data. Some numbers it is creating actually. How it is creating that is secondary. First of all, from the text data, we are getting what exactly, sir? Numbers. We are getting what exactly? Now let me tell you the beauty. Sir, numerical analysis is very fast rather than text data. Rather than what exactly? Text data actually. Good. Hold on. Now, final model. The model will be, now look at my screen. Sentence number one, sentence number two, sentence number three, something like an index. Something like what exactly, sir? Index actually. And all words we have taken here according to the alphabetical order. And sentence number one, all words. Sentence number two, all words actually. Now I have a question for you. Get ready. Sir, here, sentence number one, what is the word actually? And how many times repeated? One time. Good. Sentence number one, bus. How many times? One time. Here, why zero? In the given sentence, this word is not available. Here, why zero? Hope you understand. This is called as a vector. This is called as what exactly? Whenever you are giving, let me tell you now the beauty. Assuming that there is a movie, there is what exactly, sir? Movie. For that movie, 100 reviews would you have? How many reviews? Whenever you are seeing the reviews actually, but trust me, backend this kind of model will be created actually. This kind of model will be created. How we are using that is a secondary. I will tell you. Did you understand this one? Good. Now, kindly please move on. So now let me just try to execute this example. It's very simple. Text1.py. Go to the desktop, programs, click on this one. Let's move on. Yeah, sir, as usual, there is a class we are importing. That class name is called as a, I will stop ask either it is a class or method actually, because you became expert. It is a predefined class started with the capital letter and so on so package it is available. So on so what exactly? Package it is available. Move on to the next step. Now we are creating a list of sentences. We are creating what exactly? List of sentences. Let me create this. Yeah. So I would like to say sentence number one, sentence number two, three, four, only two, only three sentences. Good. There are three sentences we have created. All right. Now let's move to the next discussion. Can somebody tell me? Yeah. Object creation. What is this one? Object creation. Let's just try to create this. So what library? SQL. Good. Now the next one. Simple. By using this object, we are calling a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. And these sentences you need to provide. Then you need to call a method. That method name is a to array. What is that method? Simple. Till from here to here, it may return some other, other data actually. Now we are converting into data. We are converting into array. We are converting into what exactly? I hope you know the reason why array actually. This is called as a bag of words. This is called as what exactly? Bag of words. Let me call this one very quickly. Come on, please look at my screen. Yeah, it is taking some time. Sir, this is really very good. Now, previously, what model manually we have seen, by just calling these two of the lines actually, we are getting this model. We are getting what exactly? How we are using this model, I can cover later actually. First of all, we have given group of sentences. For that group of sentences, it is created a vector. It is created what exactly? Vector actually. This is just like a number analysis. For this one more technique is available that is a more efficient. That is called as a embedding. That is called as what exactly? In ChatGPT they are using. And here there is a small limitation. What is a small limitation, sir? Can I ask you a question? How many sentences? I can say on an average, there is a movie. For that movie, 3 reviews. How many reviews? Sir, just for 3 reviews, the vector is a very big vector. Imagine 5,000 reviews. How many reviews? 5,000 reviews. Sir, vector size will be very huge size actual. Vector size will be what exactly? Very huge. Good. Now back of the words means simple. We are providing the input text data and it is converting into numbers, especially The frequency of the numbers. What numbers actually? The frequency. That point you need to catch actually. Okay. Yeah. Application. This concept we can use in any NLP application. This concept we can use for what exactly? Any NLP application. Information retrieval from the document and a classification of the document actually. This I can explain, sir. Maybe the next to Twitter data analysis, I'm going to cover the same thing. Twitter sentiment analysis, I'm going to cover the same thing. All right. Now the small limitation. Please understand. Semantic meaning. It does not consider the semantic meaning of the word actually. What do you mean by semantic word? Semantic meaning. Either the word is important or not, it doesn't matter. It will always count the word actually. I mean, there are some stop words, not useful words actually. Are you with me? Good. That is called as a semantic meaning. Vector size. For large document means text data. What data? Text data. The vector size is increase. Vector size is what exactly? Increase. And which may result in higher computation time. Yes, of course, vector means, it takes a lot of time, especially for the processing. Pre-processing. In pre-process, sir, did you notice when I'm running, it is taking some time. It is taking some time. Generally, it should not take that much time. Think about 5,000 reviews. How many reviews? It takes a lot of time. No doubt in that. Now the next one is TF-IDF. What is the next one? Sir, important interview question. If anyone is asking from NLP, if he is trying to ask any question, the first starting question is from this one only. What is a TF-IDF? We'll see. What is a TF-IDF actually? Simple. First of all, this concept we are using to do the sentiment analysis. To do what exactly? Sentiment analysis actually. What do you mean by sentiment analysis? Movie is really good. Yeah. Can somebody tell me positive or negative, sir? Nice. Very good. Why? Because actually. Next one. Movie is, tell me, not good actually. Movie is what exactly? Not good. Don't ask which movie. Tell me, negative, positive or negative? Negative actually. Sir, this you are telling positive because of one word actually. What is that word? Exactly. Then back end for that good word actually, it will give the some score 89%. That word high priority. And this word you are giving either it is either this sentence you can say movie is, I'm sorry, hold on. Movie is bad actually. Bad also same, not good also same actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. This calculation will be done by TF-IDF topic. What topic actually? If you want, go back here. 1 minute. Kindly please hold on. Yeah, this one only. You can do scroll down. You can do scroll down actually. For every word, there will be a score will come. Yeah. Did you notice here? According to the word, some score is coming. What is coming, sir? The score will be provided by TF-IDF topic. What topic actually? TF-IDF. Did you understand? Good. I will explain very easy. Don't worry. There are some math formulas you need to remember. There are math formulas you need to remember, sir. Let's move on. Is Sirisha joined for today's session? Yeah. You told in your company there are some vacancies, right? Some machine learning, something. I can share the profiles. Which company? Or not, I guess. All right. I will share profiles. Just now I have seen your text actually. All right. Good. I can share the profile. Kindly please refer actually. Now, come on, let's move on. So the topic name is a term frequency. What do you mean by TF? TF means term frequency. What is our TF? Term frequency. Next one is IDF means inverse document frequency. What is that one, sir? Inverse document frequency. Good. This is the location exactly. Let me tell you. First of all, what is this, sir? Theater, right? Good. In artificial intelligence. Yeah, good. Not in Hyderabad. In Bangalore, there was a topic in Marathalli. There is a theater. Theater name is called as the Innovative Multiplex. Actually, exactly copy paste, sir. Every week I used to go to movie actually, especially English movies, right? This theater is really good. Now let me tell you, Tom frequency, inverse document frequency is a numerical statistic analysis. What analysis? We'll see what kind of analysis. That is, intended to reflect how important the word is in a document of collection. Sir, wherever you are able to see document, replace that word is the sentence. Replace that word is what exactly? Sentence. Now read everyone actually. How important a word in a what exactly? Sentence. Sentence. In what exactly, sir? Collection of words actually. We'll see. We'll see. Now let us take a 3 reviews, man. Let us just try to work with 3 reviews actually. First review. This movie is very scary and long. Different people would have, and everyone will talk about different according to their interest actually. One person is telling, "Arey man, this movie is very scary and long actually." It is okay. Next one, this movie is not scary and slow. Okay. Best example, one person is telling scary, very long actually. Another person is telling what exactly? It is not a scary and slow. This movie is a spooky and good actually. Another person is telling something like a good feedback. Something like what exactly? Good feedback actually. But in the first two sentences, nowhere else you are able to see either good or bad actually. Am I right or not, sir? Now, person to person, the review perspective is a different actually. Let's do small analysis over this one. Are you ready? Good. Let's work on this. There are how many reviews? I have a question. 3 reviews. And there is some horror movie. Just imagine something like a horror movie. Arundhati, have you seen, sir? First time when I seen, that night, I'm sorry for saying, I didn't sleep actually. Arundhati, long back, right? When I was studying MC, I have seen actually. Arundhati, first version. Let me stop recording. Yeah, when I was doing MCA. Sir, you are telling including year also. When will be your time for me in resume preparation? Ma'am, sure, I will provide actually. I will give definitely. Come on, let's move on. So first of all, there is a math formula. There is what exactly, sir? Math formula. You no need to remember. There are some predefined function we need to call. TF equals to, please look at my screen, frequency of the word in a sentence. TF equals to the first, there is some A by B. There is a formula. The formula is A by B. The A is something like a frequency of a word in what exactly? Sentence. And second one is what exactly, sir? Total number of words in a sentence. Come on, let us just try to work on this one actually. Yeah, good. What exactly happened, all terms, we are taking something like a index actually. We are taking something like what exactly? Index. Yeah, this movie is very scary and long, not slow, spooky, good actually. Did you notice? You tell me, what are the left hand side? All words. Am I right or not, sir? How many reviews? 3 reviews. 3 reviews, each and every word we are just trying to keeping like this actually. Are you fine? Good. Next one will be review 1, review 2, review 3. And now the TF calculation. What calculation? TF calculation. I have a question for you. This is the word in review number 1. In review number 1, how many times repeated? 1 time. Then TF calculation will be frequency of the word. How many times actually? 1 divided by how many total number of words are? 7. How many total number of words actually? If you want, you can cross verify and count the all words actually. I'm sure there are 7 words actually. Are you with me? Good. Same thing like that. 1 by 8. Next one is what exactly? 1 by 6. These are all things actually. I hope you understand. Why 0? Tell me. In review number 2, what exactly? There is a word. Word is called as a very. That word is not available. Sir, 0 by something? 0. Something by 0? Please, you should know the math fundamentals actually. 0, 0. I hope you know why we are getting these are all things actually. Come look at my screen. We got kind of some calculation. This calculation is called as a TF calculation. What calculation? TF calculation. But what is the topic name? Somebody talk with me. TF and what exactly? IDF. Good. Now let us just try to calculate. The next one is IDF calculation. Again, math formula. No need to be worried. You no need to remember. So IDF is a measure of how important the term in a sentence actually. And here is important. What is important? We need to IDF. We need to calculate IDF value because computing just TF value is not sufficient actually. So the math formula will be log value. What value? What is the full form? Any idea? Logarithm actually, right? So there is a scientific calculator. We have to apply this one. Number of documents. Documents means sentences. Very good. Then number of documents with what exactly? Term as a T. Number of documents divided by number of documents with what exactly? Term T. I will give one example, don't worry. And here you can kindly please observe here. Review number 2, we are trying to calculating IDF value. What value, sir? IDF value. Good. There is a word, that word is called as a movie. And you know, log, movie, how many times came actually? Number of documents. How many reviews? Tell me, sir. 3. Then this word, how many times it is repeated, you know? 3 times actually. 3 times. If you want, you can cross verify. Then log of the same value divided by same value is the 0 actual. Are you getting? Don't ask how you know actually. Just this is the calculation. Next one, same thing like a is 3 by 3 is the 0. Now please observe here. There is a word name is called as a not. What is that one, sir? Did you remember? Only one sentence it came as a not word actually. Right. The total reviews is the 3 and only one time it is repeated actually. What is the score? You need to understand this point. Whenever you are asking how is the movie, I'm sure if your friend is telling the movie is not a good movie word, you never focus actually. But you will focus only one word. What is the word actually? Not. Because back end this calculation is happening. Are you getting, sir? Right. There is a not. That not word is what exactly? 3 divided by 1. What is the value? 0.48. What is the next one? Scary. Yeah. 0.18 actually. And the slow. What is the next word? Now you talk with me. Not what is the what is the numbering? 0.4. For minimum 50% focus is required actually. Next one is a scary. Okay. Some people are feeling scary. Next one is what exactly? Slow. You know, on average, 50% people are feeling slow actually. Did you understand, sir? Now this is the separate IDF calculation. Previous calculation is a TF calculation. Now let us combine both calculations actually. You can see what exactly it is going to happen. It's a right time we need to compute TF IDF score for each word in a corpus actually. Corpus in the sense a kind of some sentence, a group of collection of words. Words with higher score are more important and lower score is what exactly? Less important. Are you ready? Sir, this is the formula. This is the formula. What is the formula, you know? TF hyphen IDF equals to TF into IDF. Simple. We already done calculation, TF separate calculation. Next one is the IDF separate calculation. We just need to multiply each other. We just need to multiply what exactly? Each other. Simple. Right, good. Now kindly please observe here. Here, what is that one, you know? There is a word is called as a this actually. For this, TF score is 1 by 8 and IDF score is 0. And something multiplying with 0, what is the result, sir? You know, right? Good. Now please look at this one. Let us just try to spend some time here actually. Sir, these are all total. This movie is very scary and long, not slow, spooky, good actually. Good. Now please observe here. In a review number one, this first of all, literally no priority. Whenever you're asking how is the movie, this word you need to ignore actually. First of all, we never focus on this word. Yeah, 0 priority. Movie, 0 priority. Is 0 priority. What is the word? Sir, what is the score? 0.06 on an average 60%. I'm sorry, not 60, 6%. Out of 100, how much actually? We need to focus. You know, we can be alert actually. Same thing like that, scary. Same thing like that, what exactly? Scary. Just 2% we need to focus. Long, 6% again. In review number 2, talk with me. Scary. Yeah, on an average 2%. Not 6%. And the slow 6% actually. Sir, now let me tell you, whenever you are going for movie reviews actually, movie review 4.6, 4.5, something like you will get right because of this calculation. Back end all words it will be calculated actually. On an average they will take and based on this one, if more not words are available and you may feel the lesser, the movie rating is very not good actually up to the mark. Did you understand, sir? There is one application we can do. Let me tell you, whenever you are talking, no doubt at all back end for each and every word, there is a what I mean to say that numeric analysis will be happening. Especially this kind of analysis will be done by Chat GPT application. What application? Let me tell you, in a Chat GPT, there is a separate topic actually. There is a one topic, the topic name is a LLMS. What is the topic name, sir? LLM. Any idea? What do you mean by LLM? Yeah. So large language model. Large language, what exactly? Model. I mean to say that the text is the very large. For that one also model would you have. What would you have, sir? Model would you have actually. Right. Especially backend, this kind of models is using this topic actually. All right. This is the just explanation. Practical example we'll see. Now the next one is Twitter sentiment analysis. Come on, please focus on this one. Text blob. Now we are going to work with one use case actually, especially this is the text analytics. What analytics, sir? Text analytics. Please focus on this. Hey, one person got a job, sir. Let me share. Maybe not required to share, but I just wanted to confirm there are calls. People are getting jobs. Kindly please hold on. Give me 1 minute actually. And his number also I can share if needed. On Saturday he got an offer. Sir, this is the fresher. Mostly I never highlight experience actually. Why? Because it's a confidential. I should not highlight. Experience remains. 4.5 lakhs he got it. That is a mobile number. If you want, you can connect with him also. In Hyderabad location only he got it. Yesterday I was getting ready for church. He texted me. Yeah, hi sir, good morning. I didn't even save his number also. So my name is so-and-so, Sheikh Arifullah. And I'm your 7:30 AM August full stack data science course details actually. Your material is very useful and thank you. I got an offer from Biggie Brains company as a junior data scientist. When he texted me, I called immediately actually. One point you need to identify, the material literally helped him. Out of 10 questions, he is telling, sir, 8 questions from our material only. I cannot say 100 out of 100 actually, but 8 is okay, sir. Are you fine? So the point is prepare our material thoroughly. Prepare our material thoroughly. And he given some other suggestions to in another group also, but very nice suggestions. Blindly follow the material. I can say that one. Why? Because with experience I have created actually. These are all things. If you want, you can 818499996621. All right. Let's move on. Material, kindly please follow the material very clearly. Sridham sir, okay, let me tell you. In a sentiment analysis, especially the positive words, negative words will be an high priority. All other words, kind of some neutral words like is, the, these are all kind of some stop words actually. Good, all right. So let's continue. Sir, first of all, the topic name is called as what exactly, NLP Twitter sentiment analysis. And here, if you wanted to work with this one, you need to install one topic. You need to understand one topic. The topic name is a text blob. What is the topic name? Text blob. We'll see. Text blob provides an API that can perform different NLP techniques. Different NLP, what exactly? Techniques actually. Good. First of all, let me tell you, what do you mean by API? Sir, simple API. Do you know about the client and server application actually? Client and what exactly? Client and server application. Server application actually. Very good. Let us take a Gmail application, man. What application actually? Gmail application. Now good. Now look at my screen. You guys are what exactly we are doing? We are entering username and we are entering password. Come on, look at my screen. Very, very important. If you want, I'm repeating one more time. Backend Chat GPT is following same structure. Following what exactly? Same structure. Why I'm highlighting Chat GPT? Chat GPT, backend complete is NLP. It will follow one topic. The topic name is a API. What is the topic name? The full form of API is application program interface. Application programming, what exactly, sir? Interface actual interface. Now look at my screen. So first of all, you need to understand client and server architecture. What architecture? Client and server application or client and server architecture. Client means simple, it's a browser. It's what exactly, sir? Browser. Also called as it's simple a program. It is what exactly, sir? A program. By using client, we can send a request to server. We can send request to what exactly? Server actually. For your better understanding, I would like to say, Google Chrome. Google what exactly? Chrome. That is a client. That is what exactly? We are using Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer to send a request to server. To send a request to what exactly? Server. Server means don't think too much actually. It is a computer. Actual application is available. What is available? Actual application is available. Whenever you are entering, your username will be something like a Daniel. Username will be something like what exactly, sir? Daniel. And the password will be something like a ABCDEFG. ABCDFG. Then what happens, sir? Talk with me. These details will be carried forward to server. Then server mainly will do three things actually. Server mainly will do how many things actually? Talk with me. Three things. What is the first one? Capture the request. I mean to say that receives the request actually. Next one, process the request. Process the request. The last one, any idea? Send response. Send what exactly? Send response. I mean to say that whenever you are trying to log in, by using your username and password, your details will be goes to server application. Inside server, Gmail is already available. Then there, that Gmail application mainly it is doing three things actually. The first one, it will receive what details you are sending. It will receive what details you are sending. Yes, after that one, it is processing. Processing is what do you mean by processing? The Gmail what you entered, valid or invalid. The password what you entered, valid or invalid. If it is valid, the response should be it is redirecting to inbox page. It is redirecting to whom, sir? Inbox page actually. If it is invalid, the response goes to what exactly? Failed. Arey boss, username and password is invalid actually. Try after 10 years, something like that actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Right. Now here, Daniel and ABC, how it is traveling, by using API topic, sir. By using what exactly? API. The values, username and password, what you are providing, it will be captured by, I mean to say that you are getting a response from API. You are getting a response from what exactly? Gmail application cannot talk with you directly. Gmail application will take the help from API. Let me send request and response by using API. Request and response by using what exactly? API. Did you understand? I need a response, man. Good. Now, please observe here. TextBlock provides an API, application programming interface, that can perform different NLP techniques like a parts of speech, POS, noun phrase extraction. Come on, repeat one more time. What is that one? Noun phrase extraction. Noun phrase extraction means if you need one live example, let me do. Let me stop recording. Yeah. So back to the session. Let's move on. Like a language translation is a very, very important. Best example, Google backend it is using English to Telugu translation. Tell me, sir. Hello, how are you? Namaskar. Hello, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? This is like a translation. This what exactly? Sir, backend NLP. Backend is what exactly? NLP it is applying. Okay, kindly please observe here. Spelling correct. Sir, wherever text data is available, keep in mind that there is a topic. The topic name is a NLP. What is the topic? NLP. If you do more work on NLP, that is seriously awesome. Text blob is a built on NLTK. If you wanted to work with the text blob, first you should know NLTK. First you should know what exactly NLTK. Yeah. Sentiment analysis means analyzing the sentiment of given text or document and categorizing the text document into a specific class or category. Either it is a positive sentence or negative sentence. We'll see. Basically, the classification is done for two classes, positive or negative, and positive or negative classification. However, we can add more classes like a neutral, highly positive, highly negative. When I say sentiment analysis, by default, there is only two. First one is a positive. Next one is what exactly? Negative. Best example. If only these two things are available in Amazon, gone case actually. Either mobile is good or bad. No. If they're dividing like that actually, if the word is like a bad actually, no one cannot buy. That's why they have divided five categories actually. The rating is how much, sir? What is the rating system? 5. This is the reason. Generally, they should provide as a 5. Generally, they should give as a 2 ratings only, either positive or negative. But they have customized actually. Right? You need to work. You need to install this library, especially with iPhone U. Let me just try to install this. Hmm. I might uninstall or what exactly? I should already. It is available. Collecting text block. Okay. Sir, I'm feeling shaking. You guys are not feeling. If you're not feeling, that is okay. Now, just ignore that points and let me explain the example. I will come to here. Come and look at my screen. Very, very important. And it is more interesting actually. Good. Look at my screen. Sir, we'll see. Line by line, I will explain. Package name, class name. Package name is a text block. Class name is what exactly? Text block. It is okay. There is a one sentence. Very good. I would like to say some review equals to take this one. Yeah, here and review. Yeah, simple. What exactly we are doing is, it was a wonderful movie. I liked it very much. Someone is telling the movie is really wonderful actually. I like it very well. Then here we are creating an object for what actually? Text blob. Yeah, we are creating an object to the class. The class name is a text blob. Can somebody talk with me? Here we are providing some parameter. During that time something will execute. What is that? Very nice, sir. You will get a job actually, right? Move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. Now let us just try to call this. Let me just try to, I have a question for you. Get ready. Sir, any idea? What is this? Sentiment is what exactly? Nice. That's it. No explanation is required. Oh, sorry. Control C. If you wanted to stop, Control C. Whenever you are calling, hold on. Whenever you are calling sentiment, yes, you are getting an output actually, sentiment object, and it is giving the two results actually. What is the first one? Polarity. What is the first one? Polarity. Next one is a subjectivity. What is the next one? The polarity score will be out of 100, 62%. The subjectivity score is what exactly? Out of 100, 68% actually. Let me tell you what is the polarity and what is subjectivity actually. Are you ready? Read the review one more time. Tell me, it was what exactly? Wonderful movie. Go back and try to understand. We can apply text block on any text to do the sentiment analysis. Best example, just try to play with this text actually. This mobile is really good, or else this mobile is really bad, something like that. The sentiment property, the sentiment attributor property, giving the sentiment scores to the text data. Sir, give me the word or sentence. Based on the sentence, it is providing the score actually. Final score. What is the score for this sentiment? I mean, what is the score for this sentence? Something like this. There are two scores given. First one is a, sorry, we have to talk. First one is polarity. Second one is subjectivity. Good. The polarity score is the floating value. Polarity score is what exactly? Something like a correlation. Did you remember? What is it? Tell minimum value, maximum value. -1 to, thank God. Same thing here also. Polarity, it is a floating value -1 to +1. -1 to what exactly? +1. Right, good. Where negative value indicates the negative text and positive value indicates to what exactly? Sir, here we got a positive. We got, first of all, what result we are getting? Positive. No doubt at all, the sentence is a positive. Sentence is what exactly? The two, there is a subject. The subject level will be, yeah, good. And the subjectivity is the float value. The range is a 0 to 1. Repeating again, polarity, the score range will be -1 to +1. -1 to +1. +1 indicates to the sentence is the positive. -1 indicates to sentence is negative actually. then there is a subjectivity 0 to 1, where 0 0 is a very very objective, and 1.0 is a very subjective, something like this. Kindly please work on this kind of example, you will get a clear picture actually. Yeah, I just wanted to extract, I don't want to from this object I wanted to extract, then you can go for this one, sir. Text dot sentiment dot polarity. Text dot sentiment dot what exactly? Polarity, you can call this one. And a subjectivity also you can call actually. I have a question for you. Any idea what is this? Formatting string actually. I hope you already know this one. How to formatting a string. All right. So we are trying to extracting these two values actually. Move on to the next one. Now, so assuming that I like the acting of lead actor, but I didn't like the movie overall. Good. So seems to be mixing actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. So imagine I like the acting of something like a lead actor, but I don't like the movie actually, something like that. Sir, first of all, please observe here actually. We cannot say completely negative sentence. We cannot say completely what exactly. How much score you are getting, sir? 19%. Out of 100, 19% is the score actually. Sir, are you with me? Good. Why? Because, so here also he is liking some portion, but he is not liking the total movie actually. All right, there is a subject also. Please work out on this example, you will understand very clear picture, sir. But my motto will be, let us do one small use case actually, you will get a clear picture. It's a right time I need to start. Good. Please observe this one. Now can you please talk with me? We have seen there are some public data sets. Public what exactly? Data set. Tell me what are all data sets we have seen? Titanic. Next one is Iris dataset. So these are all ML related dataset, and ML related actually. There is a NLP related dataset. The public dataset is called as a Twitter corpus. Corpus means collection of words, a kind of some sentence actually. If you want, go to the Google CORPUS. CORPUS. What is the meaning actually? Google it. Here you can see CORPUS means now collection of written text. Collection of what exactly, sir? Written text. Are you with me? Good. We'll see. We'll see. Now there is a already inbuilt one data set is available. We are just trying to loading the data set. Same thing like NLP process, ML process actually. I will show you how to work on this one. Are you ready? Good. Let's move on. What are all things we are importing? You need to understand. So simple. First of all, there is a function. Function name is a Twitter underscore samples. Tell me one more time. What is it one, sir? Twitter underscore sample. Very good. The next one. We are importing NLTK. NLTK dot download. A kind of some supporting library we need to import actually. And next one will be, if you want, you can print file IDs also. I'm repeating one more time. So by using this function, it is not a function, sir. Seems to be some attribute. By using that attribute, we are calling for, if you want, you can cross verify. You can apply print actually. You can apply what exactly? Print, you can cross verify. File IDs. Whenever you are calling this one, what exactly it is happening, first of all, list of three things it is providing. List of how many things actually? Three things. The first one is the list starting from here to here. Negative tweets.json. I mean to say that. Best example, let me tell you. Let us take a Twitter man. Let us take what exactly? Twitter. So assuming that definitely whenever you are tweeting something, like you are texting over the tweet actually, over Twitter actually, automatically it will apply some analysis. Automatically it will apply some analysis. The first analysis will be either it is the fake news or not. What news, sir? Fake news or not actually. Fake news or not. If it is really right news, then only the text is supposed to be spread actual. Am I right or not, sir? If it is the fake news, it will not spread much actual. and automatically the negative rating also it will be provided. That analysis Twitter is doing automatically. Apart from that, one more analysis it is doing, sentiment analysis. What analysis, sir? Sentiment analysis actually. Best example, whenever you are tweeting, then your tweet, I mean, the text message what you are texting, either it is a positive or negative, they will automatically make a tag actually. They will apply the tag automatically. Are you getting? Why they will apply tag, you know? Best example, if they tag now, in future, if anyone is providing the same text message actually, the tag will help you, I mean helpful for us. No analysis required actually. Okay, I'm repeating one more time. All social media, they are working back end with the NLP techniques. What techniques, sir? Why? Because WhatsApp text message, sir. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything is a text message actually. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whenever you are calling this one, it is providing first, you know, negative tweets.json. If you open that file, it is a, as of now, it is the name of the file. It is having all negative tweets only. Then if you are touching this one, it is having all, tell me, positive tweets. And this is the mixer actually. This we are not working. Anyway, you can ignore that. You can just try to ignore that. Now kindly please observe here, sir. Get ready. What exactly I'm trying to do, you know? Hey, Daniel, I just wanted to access the positive tweets, Daniel. Then this is the syntax. What is the syntax, you know, sir? You can just try to access this attribute by using this one. You just need to call strings of positive underscore tweets.json. Come on, repeat one more time. What is this one? Strings of, no doubt at all, it is a method actually. We're accessing one attribute. By using that, we are calling a method. Positive underscore tweets.json actually. Come on, let us just try to access. Sir, all positive tweets are available inside of this one actually. Do you want to see? Let me see. All positive tweets. These are all predefined. Since a long back, this data set is a old data set actually. Yeah, these are all tweets. These are all what exactly? Tweets. Wherever you see raw text data. What data? Raw text actually. That too, as of now for today's scenario, without processing, we are doing something actually. I will tell you. I will tell you what do you mean by this. I have a one question for you. Lot of sentences, man. Something like English movie, right? Especially cyber security. These are all things. Sir, first of all, we are getting list of strings. We are getting what exactly? You know, from here to here, it is one tweet, sir. So and so, so and so that tweeting. I wanted to print one by one. How to print? Nice. You can do that. For tweet in, for loop, for loop is running like anything, sir. From Amir Peri to Martali, actually. Yeah, good. Everything. Sir, what is the last name actually? Trust me, that is not my tweet actually. Okay, good. So and so person, you know, you could say, sir, it is what tweet actually can, it is what kind of tweets? Can somebody tell me? Positive tweets. Just to simply is enough to recognize either it is a positive or negative actually. Did you understand? Right. These are all almost how many tweets available, you know? If you wanted to check how many tweets actually, any idea? Nice. At least this one you told actually. Length of take this one. Now we have a on an average 5,000 positive tweets would we have. 5,000 positive tweets would we have. How it is helping us for analysis, I will tell you. How many, sir? 5,000. Same thing like that, we can capture negative tweets also. We can capture what exactly? Sir, in negative tweets, I'm sorry for selling. There are some abusing words. Don't misunderstand actually, right? We never read those words, but let me tell you, let me be frank. Let me just try to capture this one. And if you want, you can just try to print these are all one by one. For n underscore tweet in, you can just try to print this one. Some negativity. Go to hell, some kind of words actually. People will started scolding. Symbol is enough. There are, yeah, the symbol is enough, sir. Super duper tied actually. Do you think that is a positive? Negative actually. Yeah. I hope you understand. These are all negative tweets, man. These are all what exactly? Negative tweets. Are you with me? Sir, when I say text data, think like useful words would you have? Special symbols would you have especially? Am I right or not, sir? Stop words also would you have? So these are all analysis we need to do. These are all analysis we need to. Are you ready? Good. Let me just try to move the discussion. We are able to capture positive tweets and negative tweets actually. Let me repeat one more time. It's a simple what we need to do is the example will be very simple. First of all, we need to call Twitter underscore sample. It can be an attribute, I guess. If you want, you can cross verify. By using that attribute name, come on, look at my screen, sir. By using that attribute name, we are simply calling a string actually, strings of and a positive underscore tweets.json. If you wanted to confirm it is the functional method, just use print statement. What statement? That you know how to do that. I no need to feed that kind of things actually. Move on to the next step. Move on to the what exactly? Next step. Okay. We are taking 5,000 positive tweets, 5,000 what exactly? Negative tweets actually. Negative tweets. What is our motto, you know? Look at my screen, please. Anyway, Twitter is providing 5,000 positive tweets. Next one, 5,000. Tell me, sir. Negative tweets. Negative tweets actually. Good. Now, what exactly we are doing is let us create one model by using about tweets. By using what exactly, sir? About tweets actually. Did you understand? Right, good. Now, once the model is ready, once what exactly? Model is ready, then what we can do, you know? Today is good day. Today is what exactly? Good day. Then our model is supposed to tell it is a positive. It is what exactly? Positive sentence actually. Did you understand? I mean to say that once you created the model, now give the sentence, it will tell it is a positive sentence or negative sentence. That is the use case we are doing actually. Are you ready? Come on, let us just try to understand. I have given a small glance, but you know, kindly please observe here. All 5,000 separate actually. All positive separate, negative separate actually. Now, please look at my screen. This is not required, you can ignore. Sir, this is a bit important, please focus. Good. Now I have a question for you. For P underscore tweets in positive tweets. POS. Sorry, positive tweets. Let me just try to run this. Good. Let me just try to, you know, keep here actually. Let me run this one. 5,000 positive tweets you are going to see. Good. Now, kindly please observe here. What you need to understand, you know, first of all, this is the tweet. What kind of tweets are? Positive tweet. We know very well, but get ready. We need to tell to the model that is a positive tweet. We need to tell to the model that is what exactly? Positive tweet. To tell to the model what we need to do, you know, just a simple. You just try to create one small tuple actually. You just need to create what exactly? Small tuple. Inside tuple, keep the tweet and just try to provide a comma. Here you can just try to add one tag actually. The tag name is a positive. What is the tag actually? Now with this sentence, let us train the model. Train will understand. Model will understand. Arey boss, this tweet is the positive tweet. This tweet is what exactly? Did you understand the pattern? What I'm saying is, with every tweet, do one thing. Create a tuple. Insert tuple with two values. First value, the existing tweet actually. Second value, add a word. Second value is what exactly? Add a word. Can we add this one? We can do like this, sir. We can just try to come here. What exactly we are doing, you know? First of all, we are creating empty list. We are creating, come on, look at my screen. We are creating empty list. Positive tweets underscore set equals to empty list. Then we are just trying to iterating positive tweets and append method. What method? Append method. You know, can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Tuple. What we are adding, sir? Tuple. Tuple of each and every tweet. And for every tweet, let me add a word. What is that word actually? positive. Sir, I hope you're getting, right? Let's do this one very quickly. There is some process we are following. For P underscore tweet in positive tweets, not print actually. Take this empty list. Dot. Can somebody tell me what I need to do? Append method. Here you need to add a tuple. You need to add what exactly? Tuple. Tuple first thing should be kind of some this one, and the next one should be what exactly? POS. POS actually. Now, sir, I have a question for you. If I'm printing line number 10 as this one, can somebody tell me what is that? If I'm printing at line number 10, what is this? Any idea? This one, sir. Empty list. This is what exactly? Are you with me? Good. Once this variable overthrew this for loop actually, now this is not empty list. This is the loaded list actually. This is what exactly? Loaded list. Did you understand? Good. Let me print that one very clearly. Sir, nothing is there. One point I would like to say, Python code. Apart from that, nothing. Just the Python code. See, for every tweet, you know exactly. POS, positive, 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 positive. These are all things actually. I hope it is happening. Where exactly? Did you understand? Can we print one by one actually? How to print, sir? Which one I need to iterate actually now? This one I need to iterate. IN. Let me print what exactly? I good. Now think logically. It is printing each and every tuple. Tuple, tweet, next one is tag. Tuple, tweet, next one is the tag. Same thing, can we apply for? Yeah, good. Now, why this is the data preparation? Why we are doing this? Whenever you are reading the sentence, we can apply common sense and we can understand. But model have no common sense, sir. We need to tell, hey model, this is the positive tweet actually. Then prepare it, data preparation. This is the data preparation. Let's apply same thing for what exactly, you know. You can just have to create one more list actually here. I would like to say this is NEG. Now the same thing. This one is what exactly, sir? Here, this one is a NEG, and this one is NEG. And can I run the example? Here, what is required, sir? NEG. Now, what exactly we done? You know, anyway, the Twitter is giving the data actually, but the data is a raw data. What data? And it is providing separately with the JSON file. And you know, the first what happened? Line number 18. What happened, sir? Okay, good. Nice, good catch. 13th line, what happened, sir? Sir, can I do one thing? I'm sorry. Let me write the code actually. Thank you. Thank you for all your points actually. Let me write. I thought, you know, tweets underscore set equals to good. Then let me write for loop n underscore tweet in. Take this one. Yeah, now I got your point actually. Now let's take this one. Dot append method. Append method or add method? Append for method for which one? Which class? List. Add method. Nice. Okay, hold on. The same problem I done, you're trying to telling something, right? But in a company level, if somebody is doing the mistake, you should tell exact reason in line number 1. Something you went wrong, update actually. That sentence is matter. Best example, I'm giving a small suggestion. If your colleague is doing mistake, you should not tell line number 17, line number 17. That is okay. That is valid actually. But you need to tell in line number 17, for loop, you have to iterate negative list, but you are iterating positive list. There is a clear picture actually. Are you getting? Good. You will learn slowly by slowly, sir. Now validate everything is right, right? Yeah, good. Yes, it is taking a lot of time. Sir, are you ready? Good. Now you talk with me. Instead of this one, 5,000, all positive tweets, we know very well, but model don't know. Inside of this one, all negative tweets, around 5,000, we know very well, model don't know actually. But this one, just for model understanding, I have a question for you. How many total positive tweets actually? 5,000. Very good. Now this one, how many? Sir, now in your hand, separate 5,000 data set, separate 5,000 data set. It's wrong pattern. We should not train the model actually. Best example, my father went to shop. First to 50 dog images actually. Next to 50 cat images. Can he train actually? No, what you need to do? Exactly, man. Nice. You catch the point actually. So the immediately the next operation is a shuffling operation. What operation, sir? Look at my screen. Did you understand? We are calling the shuffle. We are calling what exactly? Shuffling actually. Shuffling. Let us just try to shuffle all things actually. Once that shuffling is done, then get ready. Let us take few data from the positive, few data from the negative. Let us mix together. Let us mix what exactly? Together. Come on. Let us just try to apply this. If you know ML, you can apply, sir. These are all things. Shuffle is a predefined function. Shuffle is what exactly? Predefined function. I'm not sure either I told or not. The same function we can apply over list also. Values equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at my screen. What is I would like to say list insertion order is fixed. Insertion order is what exactly? Fixed. But Daniel, I need a shuffled. I wanted to shuffle the value. Simple. You just need to import a function. Function name is a shuffle actually. Shuffle or shuttle, sir? Shuffle. Just try to just try to call this one actually. After this one, you need to provide. After this one, you need to provide actually. Hope you understand. Now let us continue. Sir, maybe one point you need to understand. Let me tell you one point. Please focus on this one. Maybe if you already know, that is okay. A equals to, look at my screen. 1, 2, 3. I'm habituated. 10, 20, 30, 40. Again 10. Again 10. Good. Print of A. Print of what exactly? A. Then print of A dot count of A dot what exactly? Count of 10. Tell me what is the result here actually? The result is what exactly? I would like to say these are all values, no doubt in that. Then here what is the result? 3. Sir, I wanted to add a one value. Can I add actually? Come on, how to add? A dot what exactly? Append actually. And let me add a word. Now, after this one, you need to print a actually. You need to print what exactly? A. Now, what is the result actually, sir? Talk with me. The same list and you will get what exactly? 99. You thought like what is there to explain? Now, let me explain. Many people are asking a question. Daniel, this, why you are not keeping inside print? This, why you are keeping inside count actually? Many people are asking a question. Let me tell you. If I'm writing inside in print, then this is a method returning the result. I mean, this method perform an operation and it is returning the result. It is returning what exactly? Result. If any method, if I'm not using print statement, what exactly happening, it is performing an operation, but return type is a none. Return type is what exactly? If any method is returning none, you should not use print statement to print the result actually. You should not use what exactly? Print statement to print the result. Did you understand, sir? Let me show you for your better understanding. This is the basic one, but try to understand this. Let us just have to use desktop. Good. Let me run this example. Yeah, let me run this example. Yeah, good. Now look at my screen. Hey, Daniel, can I use here print actually? No. If you are using what exactly happening, you will get the result actually. After that result, you will get result as a none. You will get result as what exactly? None actually. Look at my screen. You will get result as what exactly? None. I mean to say that what you need to understand, If any method type it is written as a none, you should not use print statement. You should not use what exactly? Same point where you covered, any idea? Yeah, very good, Mallikarjun. Just try to go to the Python. Go to the Python. Sir, Python is a main reference, man. Exactly, port number one. Return statement, you can just try to click on. Especially written as none. Written as what exactly? None actually. Look at my screen. What exactly we are trying to do, uh, a function, no return statement. A function, what exactly, sir? No return statement. Here X means M1 of directly we are doing. M1 of directly we are doing. Then what is the return type actually? None. None. Keep in mind that if I'm not adding inside in print statement, now that return type is a none. That return type is what exactly? Did you understand or not, sir? If you didn't understand, please ignore. Append is adding value to the list, and returns none. Returns what exactly, sir? None data type actually. None data type. Hope you need to understand. Let us move on. Okay. So, all right. Where are we? Can we call a method by using attribute actually? Can we call a method by using attribute? Yes, we can, but very rare. Let me show you the example. Nice question. Let me show you the example. The question will be what Srikanth is asking, can we call a method by using what exactly? Let me show you. Let me show you small cinema. Let me create here simple class student and defm1 self print of hello yes equals to student. Let me save this one will be demo 99.98.py. Can somebody talk with me? What I'm saving actually? Demo 98.py, where I'm saving, go to the programs and you can save inside of this one. Did you understand? What is my module name? Demo 98 actually. Now what I'm planning, let me import in another module this attribute. I would like to say this is the object name. This is what exactly? Object name. Let me use. Let me import. Then I will show you. You will understand clearly. Open one more notepad. Sir, import. Can somebody talk with me? Otherwise, from demo, what exactly? 90? Yeah, demo 98. Import. Let me import only. Yes, you can import actually. Now, yes dot what exactly? M1. You can call like this. Nothing is wrong with that. Let me just try to save this example. You have to be in that imagination. Let me run this example. Absolutely valid, sir. But as I told you, very rare scenario. Yeah. Hello, we are getting. Clear, right? But nice question. Okay. We are importing an object, sir. But you wanted to, you wanted to access attribute actually. Instead of this one, you can use one constructor. Sir, one point I would like to say, from one module to another module, you can import anything. Either it can be object, attribute, function, anything we can import actually, right? Just try to remember that one. Where are we? Let's move on. Let's move on. Good. So back to the explanation. Look at my screen very clearly. First of all, we are working with one, text analytics data set actually, which is a kind of some NLP. A simple, we are importing so and so required libraries. We are importing positive tweets and negative tweets. Though we already know by reading these tweets actually, but model don't know. Just for model convenient, we are just simply adding, we are creating one tuple actually for the tuple. First to text message at the same time, we are adding a kind of some tag actually that is called as a tag. All right. Now let me just try to call this function. Let us just try to shuffle all these tags and later we can add actually. All right. Come on. Sir, after adding this one, what exactly we are doing, get ready, sir. I need a response from you. Test data set and training data set we are preparing. Test data set, let us just try to take here. The test data set. Let us just try to take here. Now, from the positive tweet set, where is the positive tweet set actually? This is the positive tweet set. Can somebody tell me, first of all, total how many? Any idea? Very good. Total how many? 5,000. Out of 5,000, how many we are taking? Though we don't have a that much time. I'm just trying to take only 300 actually, but very small scale data set. Plus, whenever you are saying about the testing data set, definitely the combination is required. Positive tweets required and at the same time, negative tweets is required actually. So now this is the real-time example where I can say, did you understand? In list, I explained math operators. What operator? Plus is for concatenation of two strings. Two strings and a two list also. Are you with me? Exactly here we are using. Here we are using. This is the very simple. Now you have to tell me. Test data set, what is the total size actually? 300 plus what exactly? 300. Total? 600 tweets actually. Are you with me? Good. Let's move on. Train data set 300 to 600, again 300 to 600, both the data set we are taking in a same, sir. But if you have a more time, you can take actually here minimum some 2000 tweets is required. But anyway, I'm just trying to proceeding this one. Let me run this one. Man, which example? Test one. Let me delete all these things. Kindly please observe here. Now move on to the next one. Now let me show you the text model. Simple, nothing is there. Text blob dot classifiers. So there is a package. Inside that package, there is a text model. That model name is a navy bias classifier. What is this one? Sir, same we have seen. But there the class name is not this one. There the Gaussian NB. What is that one? There also text analytics we done actually. Either you notice or not, I'm not sure. You mean to say that text blob dot classifier, we are importing a class. We are importing what exactly? Class actually. The class name is a navy bias classifier. Let us import and create an object. Now the model is being getting ready. For this object, we are just trying to training the model. During object creation itself, you can just try to provide that train set actually. The model trained very well. It is taking time. Sir, I have given 600. How much I have given? For 600, I'm not sure whether you have seen the time span will be on an average some 10 seconds or 20 seconds it has taken. If you give 5,000, it takes some time actually. Right, good. Now I would like to say the model is ready. The model is ready. If you want, you can cross verify the score actually. Model dot accuracy. You can just try to call this one. Sorry. It is being getting training. Oh, taking time. What is the model score, sir? Frankly speaking, 74 is not a good score in terms of the text analytics. Minimum 90 is required. That is a threshold value. That is what exactly? Threshold value. Now the model behaves like a, I will show you. Then you need to train with the more data. That too, there are a lot of symbols also. Am I right? Whenever you are texting, you have to use symbols also. Then it will, let me show you, sir. Now you tell me, can somebody talk with me? It was a wonderful movie. I liked it. What exactly? Very much. Tell me, is it positive or negative? Positive. We'll give the same thing. We'll try to do the prediction. Yeah, by using classifier, there is a, sir, I have a question. What is this? Method. Not a predict method. What method? Classifier. Classifying the text. We'll see. Either it will give positive or negative. Good positive only. Run one more time. Don't expect always positive. Model, more training data is required actually. Did you notice? I mean, model, some fine tuning is required actually. So, but out of 10 times, I can give a guarantee, minimum 8 times, it will give the right result actually. But some model fine tuning is required. Did you understand? Good. Same thing like that. What we can do, um, testing the model. You can just, we are providing other text actually. I don't like movies having happy. Tell me, read this one. I don't like movies happy having what exactly? Happy ending actually. Something like a Gajini movie. Am I right, sir? Heroine will die. Am I right or not? I teared actually that day. Good. The next one, testing the model. If you want, you can test the model by using predefined class actually. Anyway, uh, this is by using, we have created a model. This is already predefined class is available like a text blob. You can check something like, classifier equals to classifier. I have a question for you. What is this? Any idea? Keyword argument. So already classifier, the created model you can provide actually, and the text you can provide. Ignore the last example. Till here it is important, sir. Till here you should understand. All right. So fine then. Let me just try to upload the material. So tomorrow we are going to start NLP. We are going to start what exactly? NLP. The NLP will be on an average 40 pages document actually. How many? 40 pages document. Minimum 3 to 4 interview questions from this document. How many questions? 3 to 4 interview questions. Till now, what you understand NLTK, kind of some NLP we done, right? And here there is a small attributes actually. Call the attribute, your task is done. This is the advanced library and which is especially using by ChatGPT. Backend it is using ChatGPT actually, right? I'm sorry, ChatGPT is using this library. Good. It's spicy, sir, but not spicy actually. Let me upload the material. Okay. Yeah, I will upload. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session. Don't miss tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Mostly this week, I'm going to cover the syllabus. Mostly. I will tell you what is the next plan. Are you ready? Yeah, good. Back of the words I need to upload. Yeah, I may.